is 5:11 p.m. and I want to quickly catch up with you because I feel like I haven't spoken to you. We last properly spoke on Saturday night. I showed you glimpses of the Akika get-together dinner dawat thing that my parents hosted for the baby. Today is Monday. Yesterday's Sunday was all about just getting house stuff done. There's been floor polishing that's been happening in our house for the past 3 days. I've been avoiding getting out of the room as much as I possibly could because I don't want to slip or anything with baby in my hands. I did step out for an event last evening though. I may or may not have posted that get ready with me already. If it is, then I will leave a link to it down below. Go check it out. I basically went for an event to support the Cancer Patients AIDS and Association, and the event was in BKC. So I went for that last evening. Literally nothing else vlog worthy. I started my massages yesterday. That, I mean, it's not vlog worthy because I can't show you that, but that's an update. A lot of people say that post your delivery through your Jajki, the first 40 days, you should get a massage every single day. I remember when I got married 8 years ago, I got a massage every single day for about 2 weeks before I got married. And I have no idea what the reason behind that is, but after delivery it's just so that your body recovers and all the stress and trauma that your body has been through, it gets that de-stressing and relief kind of. I didn't get massages because I pretty much had no place to get massages when I came back to India. My mom and dad did tell me to use their room for the massages, but I was feeling really bad about the fact that every time I had to feed the baby, every time this, every time that, I had to ask my dad to leave. He was anyway sleeping with with Rayyan in the baby's room, and Romaisa, my niece, was sleeping with my brother and Bhabhi. So getting a massage and asking him to leave for like a whole hour was just something I didn't want to do. Since we moved down on Wednesday, on Sunday I told the Malish Wali Mashi to start coming. She's doing a really good job. Her heart is really kadak though. I had my second massage today, so I actually had to ask her to like put less pressure, literally. So that's the only like thing that happened yesterday that was new. Today I had breakfast, started to get things done around the room, and I've really dedicated my entire day towards making sure my wardrobes get organized. It might sound weird, but even though the house is bigger, my wardrobe space feels a little smaller. Width wise it's probably, I think, bigger, but depth wise it's lesser over here than it was in the old house. So I'm just figuring a whole lot of things out. I'm still sitting amidst the mess, as you can see. Baby's fast asleep. After he got his malish and all, he slept well today, thank God. I like to have him asleep as much as possible through the day because then I can actually work, and in the night though he sleeps well only. Alhamdulillah. I'll touch wood, I don't want to jinx it. So yeah, this is pretty much how the first few days of us moving into this new house have been. I am going to be going to IKEA with my mom, with Paru Khala, and my parents-in-law. My mom and dad-in-law have not been to IKEA, so I'm taking them along as well. And baby is going to be well taken care of with Jerry. Jerry is super hands-on, so I'm very confident they'll be fine. I posted my first week as a mom vlog just yesterday afternoon. That's also something I did yesterday. I finished editing that vlog and I took it live immediately. I think the first time I've posted something on YouTube in a long time that was not live at 8 p.m. So I'm gonna try and be a little bit more spontaneous with everything that I'm doing because I'm editing myself now since the past few months, and I'm just trying to do my best with everything going on, with content, with baby, with house, with Verified. I'm really trying to get back in action, trying to go for events. I've said yes to 3 events in the coming week, so I'm trying to make things as interesting even for you to watch visually, like content wise, and even for me. I want to make sure I'm having as much fun as possible and coming back to things as much as I possibly can without stretching myself in a crazy way. Talk soon.
I'm off to do something very interesting. Now, baby boy has got his Akika done. Akika is basically Mundan. It's the Islamic practice of shaving a newborn's head and sacrificing a couple of goats. So I wanted to twin with him, so now I'm gonna go get my head shaved. I'm headed back home. Obviously, I'm on those, but I'm looking forward to twinning with my baby boy.
Okay. good morning. It is Friday morning and we've started this day on quite a chaos, fun note. I have Namra over here with me. Hi Namra. And we have taken upon the challenge of jitna hum aaj kar sakte hain, getting into the office room, the studio room. IKEA furniture has been delivered. Actually, I should give you the IKEA haul in this video itself because so many pieces had come that we brought them when we went to get them, and then the rest of them got delivered and assembled yesterday. So while Namra and I get into the chaos that is ensuing around us over here, मैंने break लिया है यहाँ पे आके obviously vlog start करने के लिए. Literally wallpapers that need to go back, things that need to be put together, baskets, donation piles, everything is in place. This stupid girl made a bunch of donation baskets for makeup before shifting from the old house, and I went to America and I forgot to allot the donation baskets to be donated, and then I said it's okay, I'll come back and give it. It's just like in October, and clearly time has passed, much more time than I anticipated has passed, and those baskets are just sitting there. So now I need to figure out where I can donate all of that makeup to. So need to sort a lot of those things out. I will do more of this and let you go into a flashback of the IKEA furniture because I showed you a little bit of a haul. I filmed it before I put all of those things in place. So go watch that and then we'll continue with the rest of this vlog. Hi, let's do an IKEA haul. I swear I've showered even though it doesn't look like I have. I've been sitting without AC because there's work happening all over the house. I need a hair wash super desperately, but I'm going for an event where they're going to wash my hair this evening. Giving you absolutely random, probably unnecessary context, but now that I've gotten that out of the way, let's do a really quick IKEA haul. Okay, first things first, that beautiful light. That pendant light is for the dining table. The dining table and furniture has still not arrived. Some of it has not even been ordered. Context will be given in a different video, but that pendant light is one of the items that I have got my hands on, and I really like the way it looks. I was confused about whether or not I want to go for it, but then I just kept looking at it through the IKEA store and I realized it is beautiful. I have these little plastic containers. It's a set of 3 that came with lids. This is just something really nice to store some. I'm one of those people that when I order takeout, when I order home delivery, Chinese food, Asian food of any kind, some of those sauces and dips are really nice, so I like to store them nicely. I typically end up putting them in like Ziplocs or small glass boxes that I also have from IKEA. I can leave a link into those for you down below because that's something you must have seen in one of my previous hauls. I'll link my other IKEA hauls also down below. None of this is sponsored, but just an FYI. I saw this and I realized this is a nice chotu size to store more stuff. Also, this was like super affordable. Some 49 or 59 rupees for a set of 6. I'm showing you exact names so that you can go ahead and see pricing on the IKEA Akko website. And if you have a family account, the prices are even more discounted, which I think is fab. I do have a family account. Then I got this one singular lime green, it's not really lime green, it's a sage green patterned cup. This is what is probably going to land up being my new cup. I am a very soup person and I want to do more soups. I want to make more soups at home, and I also have rubbed once a day since my delivery. My mom makes it. It's full of like super nutritious things that help and aid your like health, nutrition, backache, lactation, etc. And I thought this was really pretty for that kind of stuff. When it came to glasses, I was very confused about what to get because there's so much of a variety, but then I opted for this opal set. I was amazed at the pricing. I think I paid like barely $350 for this entire set of 6, which is fab. I liked a couple of the other ones as well, but I did think that the kaach was feeling too light, you know, like then it kind of feels cheap. And then there was some that I really liked that felt too heavy or were too big for water. What happened to him recently? Can you just check on him on like quickly just like here? And then there were some of them that felt a little too heavy. Also, another thing that I like to keep in mind while getting glasses that are being used for water is that nobody tends to drink, like guests don't tend to drink a lot of water. So you want to make sure it's a medium size, nothing that's too big because your water goes waste. In our house, we do only boiled water. We boil water for 20 minutes once a day. I don't know why, but I've never really been able to depend on purifiers and or anything like that. We just boil water straight up for 20 minutes every day, 20-25 minutes, and sometimes twice a day. Our requirement has obviously gone up because that's the only water I use for the formula feed for the baby. So yeah, giving you a lot of random information, related but random information on the side. I got this Popal set of 6. Then these glaze Gliss, how do I pronounce it? Glis. They're a set of plastic dabbas also with lids. I literally picked up 4 sets of 3 each, so 12 overall, which I thought would be very, very useful. Darwaze pe koi hai, which I thought would be very, very useful for my makeup storage, but you can totally use this for kitchen and other items as well. Again, super, super affordable. I wanted to use it for makeup because I'm obviously going to go into the zone of reorganizing my entire studio at this point of time. My bedroom is more or less completely organized. I'm going to say 90% organized. My nursery is 50-ish% done and my studio is 0% done. Literally, there are cartons from the other rooms still dumped there, so I need to get around to organizing that fully, and this is going to come in handy. Related to that, I picked up this Tamla set. Their storage stuff is really, really affordable, so highly recommending. Again, this was a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Picked up 5. I don't know if it was a set of 5. I think I just bought 5. Ek set bana ke. Of bigger size of the same gliss set. Clearer plastic, also with lids. Will probably use this for makeup as well. I also got myself this grey set of soap dispenser and toothbrush holder, and it also has a matching tray in it. It's called this. A lot of these Swedish names I cannot pronounce, so please take screenshots and go looking for them. Even though the MRP on this says 1340, I'm very sure I paid around 550, 599, something in that range for this. They felt really nice and I went ahead and got them for my master bathroom. I'm not buying anything for the other 2 bathrooms because the other 2 bathrooms are an absolute shambles. I have not renovated them as yet because of logistics, time, circumstances, lots of those things, updates in different videos, I guess. And yeah, I'm probably gonna do those makeovers later this year. My new bed is pretty much a king size bed, which I love. It's about 3 or 4 inches bigger than I really needed it to be, but I didn't mind it because Jerry and I both love hotel bed kind of feelings. And they unfortunately didn't have much of a variety going in king size. So I am gonna land up going on like the D Decors, Porticos. If you have bed linen brands to recommend, please tell me in the comments. Indie brands would be great. Top 3 दे रहे हो उसको? कितना बनाए? 2 कि 3? So if you have recommendations, please drop them down below in the comments. Indie brands would be fab. I picked up this Sorgmal set. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. My little disclaimer to you, because my mom did not realize this. When you're shopping from IKEA and bed linen, always check this over here, because sometimes they do have a section where it's just flat bed sheets, and then they do have sections where it's duvet covers with pillow covers, not the bed sheet. So definitely check properly what you're buying, and I love that they have the sizing over here as well. I just wish they just said king or queen. It would have made my life simpler, but as long as the sizing is written, I think the job gets done. I picked up this little frying chutney spoon thing of sorts. There is literally no name, here, there you go. Which is really, really convenient if you're into fried snacks, which I know I am. I picked up a set of hangers. This was, if I remember correctly, $3.99. I don't know how many of my prices that I'm saying at the top of my head are going to be correct. So again, here's the name if you're ordering online. I went to the Navi Mumbai store. This is a set of 5 wooden hangers. My requirement for hangers is for them to be sturdy. I used to have a lot of plastic hangers because I get them in, like, not PR, but like sometimes outfits get sent to me from designers and they don't bother taking the hangers back and things like that. Like, this is one of them. I didn't buy this. This is just a reference. But what is really important is for them to have, like, you know, sections for like straps to go on. And I don't buy plastic hangers. I used to many years ago, I think. But the wooden ones are more sturdy. So even when I have a heavier outfit, Indian outfit, it's just more dependable. And I have a bunch of these from before. So this is a repurchase, basically. Okay, now here's a very ghar grahasti recommendation. IKEA toilet cleaners are great. Now this is the first time I'm buying a plastic one from them. I typically always buy a steel one from them. But the steel ones that I typically do get were out of stock. For good reason. They are fab. They last really, really long. So for now, I just needed to get something, so I got these. I will go ahead and replace these with the steel ones whenever they come back in stock. I'll hit the notify me button on the app. But yeah, in case you're someone that is into extreme ghar grahasti items, there you go. I picked up the Presta hangy thingies. I don't know what else to call it. What do you call this? Like a not a laundry thing, but like a hanging thing, which, you know, like for kids essentially. Hanging everything dry. And I'm using this for my baby boy. They have this in yellow as well. I opted for green because there's a lot of this zone of green in his room. Not that this is going to be in his room, but it just kind of made sense. Actually, on this note, I actually also ordered a drying rack. I ordered about 6 or 7 bigger IKEA items, which will come in delivery, I think tomorrow. I hope tomorrow. 27th Feb is what they said, which is tomorrow. Today's 26th. So maybe you will see a part 2 of this haul once those items come and once they are assembled. Which this can then hang on that. Because I don't have any like thing to hang this on otherwise. It needs a hangy thing. I picked up this makeshift bathroom mat for the middle bathroom, the common bathroom. I use the word makeshift because I'm going to get better everything for the middle and the studio bathrooms once the time comes. Also for the same bathroom, this is a suction cup. What is the name? This is a suction cup toothbrush holder, again for the center bathroom. Where's the name? There's no name, guys. There's just a code on this, which I'm going to leave over here. This was super affordable. If I remember correctly, 199, 149, something on those lines. Nothing written here, but I'm saying everything top of my mind because I just went yesterday. And then I picked up this salt and pepper shaker set. I actually have a really nice set for salt and pepper from Hexclad. I received PR from them when I was in California, but I wanted to have the regular one on the side. Then I have this waste paper basket. This is for my studio room. The studio room trash is always very dry trash. It's like PR packages and wrapping and things like that. So I wanted a white one, and this is what we got. We have a black and silver one for the master bathroom. The master bathroom, it's called Ecole, by the way. The master bathroom is black and greys, so kind of in this zone. One thing I have moved away from here and into the bathroom because we've already used them is this bucket set. It's a 3-piece set. I've already moved it into the bathroom and started using it this morning. I basically am using this for my baby. So there's a full-size bucket, there's a smaller bucket, and this is the lid. I'm using the small bucket for like kind of like his laundry. Not like for his laundry in the sense usme dhona nahi hai. I know. To like put his used clothes in that, and then the full-size bucket for his bath. Even though I have a separate bathtub, which I still have to open, by the way, which is not from IKEA. I ordered that online. I still need to put water on him bucket. I need to order a mug. I need to check Amazon for that because IKEA didn't have any bath mugs. And then the lid just to kind of keep all the business under wrap. And then there's this dustbin which I plan on using like a diaper pail essentially. It is called Nis. This is what it looks like. And then down to the last 3 smaller items because like I said, I have a shipment coming separately. I have a sofa cum bed / day bed coming into the nursery for when guests come to visit. So this is plain white. This is a single sheet. And then I have a laundry bag by this name, Scub. This is a black laundry bag. Now, my bathrooms, even though this house is mashallah so much bigger than my last house, our bathrooms are in fact much smaller. So I got a cloth laundry basket. It looks like this basically. I didn't want to get a stiff one because I wanted something that you could move around. They have a couple of transparent options, white options which are a little bit sheer, but I wanted a black one because you don't want to see anybody's like when you walk into someone's house, you don't want to see like their underwear, for example, which is in the laundry basket. And since I don't have the other bathrooms done, even if I have guests coming over, they're all going to use the master bathroom, which is the biggest of the 3 bathrooms. I mean, biggest in the sense nominally, bath area mein, but they're all very compact bathrooms. They're like, I would say maybe 70% of my last bathroom, so a solid 30% lesser. Like I don't have platform space like I used to have on the sink area, for example. So I got this black one again to go with the bathroom ka aesthetic. And then last not least for now, I got this big wooden, very Scandinavian zone light wood finish tray. This is perfect for like when you're serving something big, if I'm, I don't know, eating on the bed, which happens sometimes, so this to come in, I don't know, just it's nice to have a nice big tray. When guests come, to put it on the coffee table. Yeah, I think that's actually what I would use it most for. I don't know why I said the other thing. Yeah, with that, we end this part of this IKEA haul. It is a little after 2. Namra stepped out to go have lunch. I just rendered a vlog I had edited, which I'm hoping I'll be able to upload, like publish today itself. I have some takeaway paneer chili dry from Shri Sagar sitting over here next to me. I have a couple of calls to make, very important calls. You'll understand what I'm saying when I tell you who I'm about to call. I have 3 cooks I need to call. One of them came and met us the other day. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I used to have a cook a couple of years ago who would do like restaurant style food at home. He was a restaurant chef who had turned into like a private chef for homes, and his food was fab. So his friend who does similar kind of food came and met us the other day. Unfortunately, when he came to meet us, we had a meeting going on in the house with one of the brands I might potentially work for rugs all over the house. So I couldn't like talk to him and be with him, but Jerry did that meeting on the side. But I have a lot of questions, so I need to call him, have a conversation with him, see and hope that he's not very expensive. And simultaneously, once again, black and white or color. Share both please. Simultaneously, I am working on a little baby announcement bag to put goodies in and send out to like our family, friends, people who are coming home to meet the baby. I want to just make sure that there are like little return presents full of things to say thank you to them, because everyone who's coming is bringing in such sweet presents for the baby, and I just don't feel like sending people off khali haath. I know that that's the normal thing when people come to see a baby, but I feel like I want to just do like something a little extra. And normally baby announcements हम लोगों को भेजते ही हैं, so it'll be a combination of giving it to people in person and sending. कुक को फोन करना है, ये वाला conversation हो रहा है, goodies जो भेजने हैं वो आ चुके हैं, and I'm just figuring a few other things out. It is exactly 2:17 p.m. I have to leave by 4:30 for an event I'm going for. I'll tell you about it when we're on the way. I'm just really grateful that I was mentally prepared for absolutely how chaotic life was going to become, because it is. I can see why people get overwhelmed, and don't get me wrong, I'm not Little Miss Perfect. I'm also getting overwhelmed so often. I can hear the baby crying a little bit. क्या हो गया? लाओ. Okay, I don't have much time. I truly genuinely don't have much time. I need to finish lunch. I need to make the calls that I can while he's getting his bath. He just got done with his massage, and I will catch up with you later. अच्छा, Sundays को नहीं आते हो आप? Okay. Okay, I've refixed my camera on the car screen, on the car windshield after years, I think. At least 2 years, maybe. Here's hoping it is not going to shake, or you're going to get shaky footage. That's the best case scenario. The worst case scenario is that my camera falls. You're wearing seatbelt, no? We are on our way to an event. Namra are coming with me to a brand event for the first time. We're going to an event for this brand called Jacquardi. I hope I'm pronouncing their name correctly. They're a French baby, everything baby wear brand, and they've just come to India. So it's my first event technically as a mom blogger of sorts, because it's a baby brand. They actually did ask me to bring the baby along. I was like, no, he's too small, but thank you for the invite. Also, as of date, I haven't yet shown you guys his face. I'm getting comments saying face reveal karo and show his face and stuff like that. But मेरे को थोड़ा protective वाला feeling kick in हो रहा है. So maybe with time, when I'm comfortable enough, maybe a few weeks, maybe a month, maybe 2 months, I don't know. Whenever I feel ready on the inside, camera टेढ़ा हो चुका है. Wow, I love it. That did not last 2 whole minutes. I think I need to order a new one, and a sturdier one perhaps. Let's see, fingers crossed. But yeah, basically driving to Palladium, second day in a row. I was here yesterday also. I went yesterday also to Palladium for Rana Gill's new collection preview event, which was really nice. I was also dressed by her, like dressed in her collection, which was beautiful. Yeah, टेढ़ा है. मुझे नहीं लगता ये टिकेगा ऐसे. मुझे लगता है मुझे नया वाला ऑर्डर करना ही पड़ेगा. वो दूसरा वाला बहुत बड़ा है जो बेटर होता, पर वो चिपक नहीं रहा है for some strange reason, And
I think you should discard it because वो नहीं होगा.
बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. You don't think?
This is still holding on, no? That is not chipcoing.
Okay, we'll see. Basically, wow, golden hour light at the ceiling. Gotta love it. Yeah, so we'll catch up from the event. Ciao.
They made it 100 both ways, na? Like one way.
No,
One way, 100
I
and then...
thought it was 150 or something.
So in the...
Both ways.
हाँ. No, return जाने का भी 100 it is.
But return जाने का same दिन जाओ तो कुछ कम होता है ना?
No, पहले था अब they've
Increased it. Actually, I feel कि क्योंकि QR है ना, क्योंकि फास्ट टैग है ना, पता नहीं चल रहा है कि कितना दे रहे हो. तो घर जाके ऐसे
So पहले it was 150 if you're taking return, something like that. और अब it's become तुम आओ या जाओ 100 रुपया आने का 100 रुपया जाने का.
And they were supposed to take it away after a point. हम कितने सालों से भर ही रहे. Hi, I'm back home from that lovely dinner. I'm so glad both my chachis, my bhabhi, my chachi's sister, my mom and I, we had such a nice girls' night. I just genuinely enjoyed so much. They've stayed out a little longer, but Sana and I came back, my bhabhi and I came back home. She's up, I'm here at home. I wanted to come in because I'd been away since 5:30 p.m. and I had basically been away from baby for like 5 hours-ish. I was missing him a lot. I came home to find him fast asleep. He is going through this witching hour pattern in the evenings and I feel really bad, kind of guilty being away from him during that period because he instantly soothes when he's in my lap during that period. But Jerry's doing a really great job in handling him while I'm away. I'm so grateful to have a hands-on dad. I'm not gonna say babysitting. Husbands, fathers rather, are not babysitting their kids. They're just being good parents, which is the bare minimum, the basic. And I'm grateful to have that kind of support and not feel guilty. I feel a little guilty, not feel that guilty about being away for work and then being able to step out for dinner. My chachi might come home after. Let's see. I hope she does. She might be tired. But I want her to see the new house before she goes back in 4 days. It's almost midnight, which means it's almost 1st of March. This month doesn't have 31 days. That kind of means the baby is now 2 months old. Wow. Again, so grateful, alhamdulillah, for this process. I still have to take my makeup off, but I've got my laptop going over here. I need to transfer a lot of footage because my phone is full despite having iCloud and everything. And I need to just line up the next vlog edit. I'm trying to be quicker with my vlog edit things. I get better at this. I'm pretty much I'm not a one-woman team right now, but I'm a two-woman team right now because I have Namra by my side. She is now working on me as well as verified things. So just grateful for the support in all aspects. Tired, exhausted, but very, very grateful for every single minute. I'll catch up with you soon. My stupid brain has forgotten my water bottle, my sipper down in the car. So I'm kept some general ghar ka kaanch ka bottle over here. These Borosil bottles are fab. I'll leave links to them down below. You should definitely get your hands on these if you're looking for good sturdy glass water bottles for your house, even for the fridge or whatever. They're really nice. Such a special day. It is Saturday morning. I'll tell you what all has happened since morning. Feeds, my in-laws coming to visit the baby, my malish, because I was getting malish done every day in the middle for a while. For like 4 days, I think I got malish every day. No, even there was 1 day gap when we went to IKEA. And I realized that my mornings work-wise get super delayed. I want to spend more time with the baby rather than landing up spending time getting a malish followed by a shower. So I told the malish wali Manshi to just come in on the weekends. So that makes my schedule and my life a lot easier. So she came in at about 10 this morning. She comes between 10:30. I actually have told her 10:30, but she comes early. I appreciate it. I'm okay with that. So my malish, my shower, and I just put baby down just now after a feed, and I thought I would quickly catch you up on the rest of the IKEA stuff that came. The IKEA stuff came day before yesterday. I'm so lost on all time. No, day before yesterday, and got assembled. So there are a few pieces. Number one, I got a chest of drawers for my office. This is really convenient for me to put all of my actively being used makeup in. All of my actively being used skincare will go into my bathroom shelves because those handles got done yesterday with the cabinet, so thank God for that. And this way it's just accessible when I'm sitting to do my makeup. I can keep it next to me, that kind of stuff. I want to keep the cupboard more for like stock makeup, which is extras, backups, things I'm kind of going to use and test out for content. And then if it's good enough, it gets upgraded into these chest of drawers, and if not, it gets discarded, obviously, unfortunately. The chest of drawers. The mirror, I really needed a nice full-length mirror. This house has no mirrors in it except for the ones in the bathroom and the bedroom, and so I wanted to make sure that there's at least one full-length mirror available. You remember my old house, it had a lot of mirrors, so I originally actually liked a different mirror from IKEA, but then I realized when I was there that it can't be a standing mirror, it had to be a fixed mirror, and I didn't want a fixed mirror in my studio. I want the things in my studio to be more easily movable. That's number two. Then we got the brimless bed. The brimless bed right now is going to look really cluttered in the b-roll I'm showing you because it has a lot of things on it. I took out a lot of clothes for donations and this and that, so I've kind of like for the moment just dumped everything over on there. The gaddas that have come are a little too thick, so I need to downsize the thickness of them. And also a side table that has come to the nursery, which is really cute. It's very on theme, and it opens up to be able to store his stuffed drawers, toys, whatever I want can go inside that side table. The chairs for the dining are also here, which I'm super thrilled about. I've actually not bought dining chairs from IKEA in the past, so this is the first time I'm using dining chairs from IKEA. I have bought other chairs from IKEA, like office chairs and stuff from IKEA. Not the one I'm sitting on right now, but the grey ones that we have briefly, you must have seen in my older vlogs from the old house. These are very comfortable, and the color is so on theme with my living room. The dining table and coffee table I'm getting fully custom made. I'm getting a lot of pieces custom made for the living room, so it's a process. I'm not placing some of the orders right away. I am getting these done right away. I really need to sit down and film like a life update on why I'm moving slowly on this house and things like that separately. And I also got the laundry rack, the drying rack, not the laundry rack, the drying rack has also come in, which is again super convenient because I need something to put the baby's clothes on, in a sense, to dry. Obviously we put his clothes in the washer and the dryer, but obviously because he's a teeny tiny baby, sometimes his clothes get soiled or wet or anything like that. I don't want to wait and put those in the washer dryer. Obviously I'm not going to come out of the washer dryer just for one or two baby clothes. We put all of it together, and so these can just be hand washed separately and put to dry. That also becomes Parukhara's drying rack. Kind of all makes sense. In the old house, we had the clothesline outside the kitchen window. Here, I don't have any clothesline, so this is kind of and fits into my balcony behind my washer dryer perfectly. If you want to understand the layout of the house and you want to understand what changes we've made through the renovations, in fact, you're gonna have to wait for the house tour. Wait, did I cover all the pieces? The side table, the bed, the chest of drawers, the mirror, chairs, and the laundry rack. I think I covered the drying rack. Sorry, I think I covered everything except we've placed one more IKEA order online because Jerry and I were discussing other things that we might want, and I think that is supposed to come in at some point today. So fingers crossed that comes in. I think that will come on time because their deliveries are quite on time. Even these came like amazingly on time. So I'll probably add a third segment of the IKEA haul somewhere in this video, because I want you to go ahead and see what I ordered. Today is a really special day because the baby boy is 2 months old. There's no 31 in Feb. It's the 1st of March today. So I'm not going to go with I should have gone with the 28th, I guess. But first, whatever. So he's 2 months old now. And apart from that, Kabir, my very close friend Trisha's son, is now 1 year old. I love the age gap these two kids have, these two boys have, of 10 months apart. So they're not really celebrating or anything because her family is traveling, her in-laws are traveling at the moment. But I am going to be going over to meet little Kabu. I want to order a mini cake at least so that there is that for little Kabir. And I got him the cutest little birthday present. Let me go ahead and tell you what I got him. I got it gift wrapped and all that, so you'll see that later. But I want to tell you what I got him. When we were at IKEA, I was going back and forth on getting him like this table chair set, which was really, really cute. But then I realized he's only one. I don't think the table chair will be much used right now. But I know that he loves to sit in their balcony and stare outside for long hours. They have a dog at home and the dog talks to other dogs and barks at other dogs through the window and through the balcony. So he gives the dog company, which is really cute. I feel like babies that grow up with pets, not only do they have stronger immunities and stuff, they're also so loving and understanding and learn responsibility even at an early age. I'm hoping we can do that and see that with baby boy, because we have nibbles at home. Anyway, long-winded way, my chatty typical way of saying that I wanted to get him his first piece of furniture, essentially was the idea since I was at IKEA. So I picked up the baby armchair for him. I was so happy. I'm personally only so happy with this birthday present because I was like, oh, he's gonna look so cute sitting in that little armchair. And before I started vlogging this particular vlog, like I met Trisha a couple of evenings ago. We went to Punjab Sweet House for Pani Puri and then we walked to my house because we wanted Kabir to meet baby and they hadn't met us yet, which was a really cute evening. I unfortunately wasn't vlogging that evening, but I was just enjoying the moments, to be honest. And I made Kabir try imli ki chutney for the first time. He had never eaten anything from outside before and he loved it, which was absolutely adorable. I have a video of that. If Trisha says yes, I will insert it as I'm talking about it somewhere over this clip. I always like to check in advance before sharing things like this, especially when it's like babies and stuff, right? And so I was so excited about the birthday present that I showed it to her. I hadn't gift wrapped it at that time. And she really liked the present as well, so I was like, okay, cool, well done. I'm so particular that when I buy gifts, I want to make sure I love the present, because I feel like if you love the present, you're even more confident that the opposite person might love the present. My mom's always taught me that as a kid, that always give gifts that you know you would like to not just receive, but like you would be proud of giving someone. Like make sure it's like a nice present, you know what I mean? And I was very happy that she was happy. And she was like, why are you gift wrapping it? Because I was telling Parukala we'll gift wrap it before going to her house. So I was like, because it's a present, I want Kabu to like unwrap it, you know what I mean? I want to see that joy on his face. So yeah, that's happening this afternoon. I can literally just walk to Trisha's house now, but it's so hot, so maybe I should take the car. I don't know, I'll see. I'm gonna have lunch and then change because I'm in night suit, and then get baby ready. He's down taking a nap. Down in the sense he's down in a nap right now in his cot. And yeah, the bell rang. Maybe that's the IKEA stuff. I don't know, we'll find out. But I will show you that stuff in this video itself. Talk soon.
Right, another box from IKEA has arrived. There's an order that I placed online, I think 2-3 days ago. This is mostly cutlery stuff, not big stuff. Certain things that Anam didn't pick up while she was at IKEA. So let's see what it has. Right, this is what we have. We have some big bowls, small bowls, side plates and main plates. We also have this little stick-on hook, 3-hook, a suction cup, a roll holder, and we have these. We have this shelf that I actually wanna do and put up outside in the balcony for a little bit of storage. That's how the shelf looks, fully assembled. Took me a while to get it into those grooves and click, but yeah.
Just coming on here to close the vlog. It is. क्या हुआ? Nebros is ruining our sofas and Parokara is scolding him. God, what are we gonna do? Coming on here to end the vlog is what I was about to say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're enjoying me coming back to life almost, because I feel so much more me since I've come back, since I've gotten into the routine and rhythm of things. There's a lot of things planned for this week. I hope I'm able to achieve those. I am literally going to start the next vlog right after breakfast today, so I'm going to keep vlogging as much as I can. I love you so much. You know I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of you. So sound off on your honest comments always down below. I love hearing your thoughts, honestly. And if you made it this far into the video, don't forget to leave a brown heart since I'm in a brown shirt. You're going to see me in the same shirt in the next video. Okay? You know this in advance. So.